we are going to do, You're going to say the letter and the sound. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, all you're doing. Letter, sound, oh, you're good. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, I see motions, good job. Letter, sound, excellent. Letter, sound, remember? Yeah, good job. Letter, sound, good job. Letter, sound, awesome. Letter, sound, letter, sound. Ooh, you're doing a great job. Letter, sound. Ooh, I saw your motion. Good job. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter, sound. Oh, good job. Letter, sound. Excellent. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter, sound. Excellent. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter, sound. Excellent. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter, sound. Letter, sound. Good job. Letter, sound. Oh, you're doing such a great job by yourself. Letter, sound. Excellent. Letter, sound. Oh, you're doing a great job. Now, I'm going to say some words that are food, but I'm going to say them wrong. So you're going to tell me what they really are. All right, let's get ready. Apple, apple, apple. Good job. Mookie, a mookie, a cookie. Good job. Dupe, dupe, soup. Good job. You said it right before me. Good job. Voast, voast, toast. Good job. Coatmeal, coatmeal, oatmeal. Good job. Nupcake, nupcake, cupcake. Good job. Cupcake. Good job. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Good job. I like popcorn too. Now you're going to do the beginning sound. Get your beginning sound hand out. I see you with your hand out. Everyone do it. Good job. All right, we're ready. Pin, put. Beginning sound is P. Good job. When, we. W. Good job. Real, red. Try and say it right before me. Eyes, eyes. Ears, ears. Quick, quiet. Good job. Talk, time. Good job. Vase, van. Good job. Same, sit. Good job. Yes, you. Good job. Zip, zoo. Zzz. Good job. Back, ball. Wow, you're doing a great job. Put your hand on your back and say, I'm doing so good. Oh, yes, you are. Now I'm going to split a word and you're going to put it back together. Insect. Insect, very good. Garbage. Garbage, very good. Hungry. Hungry, good job. Monkey. Monkey, excellent. Garden. Garden, excellent. Upset. Upset, good job. Bacon. Bacon. Excellent. Frozen. Frozen. Excellent. You're doing so good. Pencil. Pencil. Good job. Absent. Absent. Excellent. Now you're going to do the ending sound. Put your ending sound hand up. Good job. Miss. What's the ending sound? S. Good job. You said it before me. Try to do it before me. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Wet. Ch. Good job. Dove. Dove. Good job. Box. Box. X. Good job. Buzz. Buzz. Zzz. Good job. Lab. Lab. B. Very good. Need. Need. D. Excellent. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Frog. G. Excellent. Cage. J. Excellent. Fluff. Good job. Now, I'm going to say a word and you're going to see how many syllables there are. Remember, we're going to do our clapping. Okay, here we go. Famous. Do it with me. Famous. 2. Good job. You knew before me. Fever. Say it with me. Fever. How many? 2. You knew it before me. Good job. Obey. Obey. 2. Good job. Paper. You do. Paper. How many? 2. Good job. Tiger. How many? 2. You knew it before me. Good job. Purple. Yes, 2. Good job. Welcome. You're right. 2. Good job. Pumpkin. How many? 2. Good job doing your clappers. Next one. Sunny. How many? Sunny. 2. Good job. Next word. Eyes, eyes, ears, ears. Pitcher. Pitcher. 2. Wow, you're doing great. Go. Good job, brain. Wow. Now, I'm going to change a word. Here we have it. We have time? I think we do. Okay. Cleanest. This is cleanest. I'm going to put clean away. I'm going to put dark. Now it's darkest. Good job. Now if this is darkest, we're going to put dark away and we're going to put large. Now it's largest. Good job. Now if this is largest, I'm putting large away and I'm putting high at the beginning. Now it's highest. Good job. This is highest. I'm putting high away and I'm putting great. Now it's greatest. Good job. If this is greatest, I'm putting great away and I'm putting clean. Now it's cleanest. Excellent.